if I'm doing 3 videos in one day, but look at them, they're all awake and they're doing stuff. I've been waiting for this. The orange girl. Hey, sweetie. The party spots. Good girl, Polly. Squeaky babies. Watch out, Polly. Careful. There's one. I'm being trodden on by Polly. I like this one. I might keep this one. Hello, beautiful girl. Sleepy boy, though. Look. Sleepy boys. Another little boy. Collar keeps coming undone. And here's the other boy. Here's Mr. Chunk. He's the biggest one. But look at these little faces. Look. Hello, sweetie. Get off me. Oh, he's trying to snooze. Hey, sweeties. Where are you going? I love little black boys. Remind me of my Max when he was tiny. So sweet. Oh, look at them all. So now the fun begins. And they're toddling round. And then they'll start to poop everywhere. You are cute. Go on then, show them you're walking. Clever girl. Look at you. Oh, someone's getting cozy down by my leg. Little blue boy. Hello. Oh, look, they're moving round. They're like actual dogs now. Teeny tiny puppies. Look like sleeping slugs. Oh, they're coming to have a snuggle. Oh, I love you too. She's just not settling. What are you up to, little girl? I think you're going to be curly, judging by your face. But we shall see. We shall see. I don't want to be wrong, because that would not be good. Polly's still in here. Oh, have you been denied some more milk? That's harsh. Come on, onto the vet bed. You don't want to crawl around on the floor, guys, do you? Here's the boy. Look at him. Oh, he's so beautiful. He reminds me of Teddy Mocker and Oscar all in one. They're just lovely puppies. I'm thrilled with them. Looking forward to them getting outside and playing. Definitely. Oh, look at you. Hello. Who are you? Pink. That's Pink. So there you go, 3 videos in a day because they're now doing stuff. So exciting. You are such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Hello. Yes, you're pretty too, Polly. Oh, look, that one's still awake. I have a soft spot for that one. I haven't decided. I really haven't. I also like this one too. And you're just having dreams of food, aren't you, little boy, huh? Dreams of food. Hello. Hello. Oh, so there you go. 3 little videos in a day. We love your puppies, don't we, Polly? We love your puppies. And you get to keep